How can you build a fence for your project without using any nails? Well, you can use these picture tubes that are available, and some of them will create a very regular fence with repeated boards. So you can just drag your cursor however you want, and you will have boards. Here you can see they are randomly selected, although they kind of match, but other fence will be more regular. So here you have small, tall, etc., and it repeats. At this point, I think these will repeat up to this one with the big knot. When you create a fence, if you want it straight, you click on one side. Just use the ruler here to have an idea where you click. Hold the Shift key, go on the other side, and your fence will be even. However, if you prefer to have your fence along an angled path or hill, you can do that. So there are different types of fences. If you find that these are too tall, so for example, here we get over 1,000 pixels in height. If you want to have it thinner, you can change the scale down. Let's go to 50%, and we have a smaller fence. However, one thing to not do is to change the step. The step size is set so that the spacing will be correct. In the case of a fence, if you change the spacing, well, your boards are not going to touch. So let's go back to 200. But each fence will have a slightly different setting. They might all be the same, or they might have something similar for steps, but it's not a given. So you can have some very uneven boards. And even something very irregular. This is great for beach. If you find that this one is too small, you can increase the scale and you'll have a taller fence. So now, whatever type of board you want, you can create your own fence. You can colorize it. You can add elements. You can add a little cat on it. You can add vines. If you want to colorize or paint on your board, one thing you can do is simply add a new layer. Use your paintbrush tool, and let's just put something completely unoriginal, and let's just make a smiley face. And then to keep the grain, you will play with the blend mode and see which one might work for your fence. It will depend on the color of the fence and the color of your design. So whichever you want might work, and you can add some paint. So now it is your turn to build a fence wherever you want without any nail. Have fun!